If you don't see the lock profile option on Facebook, don't worry. I've got a quick fix for you. Open the Facebook app and sign in. Once you're in, tap the menu icon, bottom right on iPhone, top right on Android. Tap the gear icon to open Settings. Once inside Settings, find the Audience and Visibility section. Tap Followers and Public Content, and change everything from public to friends. This ensures that only people you've added as friends can follow your updates, comment on your posts, and engage with your content. Go back to Audience and Visibility section and select Profile and Tagging. Then set all options to Friends or Only Me for better control over your profile. Once you're done, head back to your Facebook homepage and tap your profile icon to open your profile page. Tap the three dots. This step is super important. If professional mode is enabled, the lock profile option won't appear. To turn it off, select Turn Off Professional Mode and confirm. Refresh the page and the lock profile option should appear. Tap it. Confirm by selecting Lock Your Profile at the bottom, and you're all set.